Hey there, and welcome to today's video. If you're getting too many emails from Instagram and want to take control, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to manage and customize email notifications in the Instagram app on your Android phone. First, open the Instagram app on your Android phone. Now, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. From the menu, tap on Notifications. Scroll down through the notification settings until you find the option called Email Notifications. Tap on it. Inside this section, you'll see several options including feedback emails, reminder emails, product emails, and news emails, support email. You can toggle each of these off individually based on your preferences. If you don't want to receive certain types of emails, simply turn them off. Once you've adjusted the settings, Instagram will now only send you the emails you've chosen to allow. That's how you manage Instagram email notifications on Android. It's quick, simple, and helps reduce email clutter. If this helped you out, consider liking, subscribing, and checking out more tech tips.